The fourth doctrine is the doctrine of eternity. So God is the creator of time, and he is without a beginning or an end. So Isaiah 57:15 reads, "For this is what the high and exalted one says, he who lives forever, whose name is holy. I live in a high and holy place, but also with the one who is contrite and lowly in spirit, to revive the spirit of the lowly and to revive the heart of the contrite." So notice that in Isaiah we're told that he who lives forever says this. So God is he who lives forever.